Routine. Sanitizing frequently touched surfaces. Step 1. Watch this short video. Sanitizing frequently touched surfaces is an important part of your home cleaning routine. It is particularly important during the cold and flu season and during the current coronavirus outbreak. Examples of frequently touched surfaces include doorknobs, light switches, countertops, tables, oven knobs, handles, phones, tablets, keyboards, toilets, faucets, gaming consoles, headsets, garage door openers, headphones, and remote controls. Before cleaning, take a walk around your house and identify the surfaces you touch multiple times throughout the day. Step 2. Wear disposable gloves. Wearing disposable gloves while sanitizing protects your hands from exposure to chemicals and the pathogens you are seeking to eliminate. It is also suggested to open a window or turn on a fan for extra ventilation if this is an option. Step 3. Clean with soap and water or another detergent if any area or item is visibly dirty. Cleaning the area or item with soap and water or another detergent is the first step in sanitizing. This step removes dirt and other residue before you sanitize. Step 4. Mix a sanitizing solution according to the manufacturer's instructions. Sanitizing solutions are used to eliminate or kill harmful pathogens like viruses and bacteria that can enter our bodies and make us sick. In order for sanitizing solutions to be effective, they must be mixed properly and make contact with the surface long enough to destroy anything that may harm us. Examples of sanitizing solutions you may have at home include bleach, hydrogen peroxide, disinfectant spray, hand sanitizer, and disinfectant wipes. Step 5. If you are using a spray sanitizer, read the instructions on the label and note the length of time you must wait between spraying and wiping the surface. When using spray sanitizers, it's important to note the amount of time the sanitizer must make contact with the surface before wiping it off. For example, wait 1 minute or 60 seconds when spraying this cleaner before wiping it off. Use a paper towel if you have one, throwing it in the trash immediately after use. Rags and cotton cloths can also be used, but must be washed in hot water and dried completely for 30 minutes on the hottest setting before you use them again. Step 6. If you are using disinfectant wipes to sanitize surfaces, follow the instructions on the container and dispose of the wipes between surfaces. Pre-sanitized disinfectant wipes are useful because they combine the sanitizing solution with the wiping cloth. These wipes are ideal for water-sensitive surfaces like keyboards, phone screens, tablets, and remote controls. Dispose of the wipe in the trash after using it. Do not use harsh cleaners on the screen of laptops and computer screens as it may damage them. Step 7. Repeat steps 2 through 6 at least once a day. More if you are sick or experiencing symptoms of sickness.